All right, we're kicking off a brand new project, and this one's going to be one of your favorites. You're going to design your own custom car, but not just any car. The goal is to make something completely unique. It can be realistic, futuristic, funny, aggressive. Honestly, it can look however you want, as long as it actually works. By the end of this project, you're going to have a full 3D model, a working assembly with wheels that actually spin, and a final design that you present. So if you've ever wanted to design your own car, this is your shot. Here's how this project works. First, you're going to plan your idea. Nothing crazy, just have a direction in mind. Then we'll build the base. That's your chassis, your wheels, your axles, and make sure everything actually fits together. After that, we assemble everything and make sure it works. Your wheels need to rotate, your parts need to be aligned, and this is where your design either works or it breaks. Then comes the fun part, making it unique. This is where you add details, shapes, style. This is where it really becomes your car. After that, we'll create some drawings and finalize everything so it's clean, complete, and ready to present. Now there are a few requirements you have to follow. You must have at least 4 wheels. They need to be attached to axles, and those axles need to actually fit through your car body, just like the real world. Everything needs to assemble properly, and you need to use dimensions so your parts actually work together. If your wheels don't spin, your design is broken. Now here's the key. This is a digital project. We're not building these physically. So that means you have way more freedom to design something crazy, creative, or completely different. And if you're stuck on ideas, here are some examples. You can go simple, or you can go completely wild. The real goal is not to copy, but to stand out. At the end, we're going to judge these, not just on how they look, but how creative they are, how well they're built, and how well everything fits together. So your goal is simple: design something no one else in this class is going to make. And that's it for the kickoff. Next up, we're going to start building the base of your car. If you're ready, let's get into episode 2.